This guy said he makes $9,600 a week driving for CloudTrucks. I'm gonna give y'all the real, but first, let's hear the gentleman out.
With one truck.
You say y'all gross one truck?
What y'all do, I gross with one truck already.
What, driving for CloudTrucks?
I already gross y'all. I gross y'all already.
What you gross? A week.
A week?
Yeah, driving for CloudTrucks.
9,700.
9,700. By yourself. How many loaded miles you run?
Last week I did 97. I did 20. I did 2,100.
2,100 miles.
$4
So how they pay y'all?
As soon as you drop, you get paid.
I'm saying like a percentage.
Yeah.
Like what?
You get like after your deduction come out.
Paid same day, factoring company. He ain't lying.
Like 20-something% that come out.
20%.
Yeah, 20. They'll take 8. They're supposed to take 18%. The rest go to you.
Right.
So
you own the truck?
My son, even though we're on his truck,
Yeah.
he in the floor.
Right.
So I mean,
How long you been with him?
2 years.
2
I
years.
come out retired with this shit.
So look, man, I'm gonna start it off by saying he is definitely not lying. You can definitely do $9,600 a week in a semi truck. We do that in box trucks. Now, as far as box trucks, we're not doing that every single week. My highest week was 12,500. A consistent week for us is about 7 to 9K. Our minimum that we like to make is at least 5,000 a week. If we're having a $9,600 a week, that's probably a $3.50 mile average, which we do a lot. So when this guy said he did $9,600 a week, I definitely believe it. But now here's what wasn't told. After his 20% taking off that $9,600, that leaves him with about $7,600. Now that's not including fuel. Fuel in a semi truck is very expensive. Usually you get 3 to 5 miles per gallon, and fuel is around $3 to $5 average across the United States. So fuel is probably $1 a mile. He said he drove 2,100 miles. That's probably around $2,100. 7,600 minus 2,100 is still around 5,500. In a box truck, the fuel would have been half of that, if not a third. We get 10 to 12 miles per gallon. Semi trucks have 3 to 5 axles, which means they're spending a ton in tolls. Tolls were probably around $200, maybe more, maybe less. To get paid same day, it's usually around 3 to 4% of the total gross, which would be around $300 to $400. When you minus tolls and factoring, that puts you around 5,000. Clearly, he's the owner operator, so there's no driver pay. Also, semi trucks have to pay an IFTA tax quarterly. So whatever their total miles is, they have to pay a percentage of that in taxes. With box trucks, we don't have to pay an IFTA tax. Insurance is a monthly expense, so we're not going to count that in there. This is just 1 week of work. For him, if he has a good driving record, his insurance is probably only around $1,000 to $1,500 a month. The last big expense would be if he finances the truck, which also is a monthly expense. After all expenses, he probably netted around $4,000 to $5,000, which is beautiful. On our $9,000 to $10,000 weeks in a box truck, we're netting way more because our expenses are way less. You get the point though, trucking could change your life. Comment how, tap in. You won't get rich overnight, but trucking can change your life, God.